Making money with Discord as a beginner involves creating a valuable community, offering paid services, and leveraging monetization strategies. Here's how you can start. Create a paid Discord community. Build a niche-focused server. Offer exclusive content, advice, or resources and charge membership fees. Use Patreon, Ko-Fi, or Buy Me a Coffee to collect payments for access. Sell digital products or services. Offer coaching, templates, or guides within your Discord community. Sell exclusive bots, Discord templates, or automation tools. If you're a graphic designer, editor, or developer, offer freelance services to members. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Promote affiliate links from products relevant to your Discord community. Partner with brands for sponsored content or product promotions within your server. Discord server boosting and management. Offer server setup and moderation services for other Discord users. Help businesses grow their servers in exchange for a fee. Monetize through Discord subscriptions. Enable server subscriptions and charge for premium roles or exclusive channels.